What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renato Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every Wednesday, okay? So today we're going to talk about what are the importance of getting your credit on the right track, okay? So without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys. Now, today we're going to talk about some of the importance of getting your credit on track. Okay. Now, there are hundreds of things that you can actually do and reasons why you can actually get your credit on track. But today we're going to talk about the top 5 essentials that I think are the main reasons why you want to get it on track. Okay. Now, the first reason is to get access to loans and credit, okay? A good credit score can make it easier to access loans, credit cards, and other financial products. With a poor credit score, you may struggle to obtain credit or may only be able to access credit at a higher interest rate, okay? So getting access to loans and credit cards can help you build your credit financially and also can help you create other upstable incomes. If you want to have those 7 lines of incomes, it will help you create those businesses and get you on the right track. Okay. Now, also having a lower interest rate. Having a high credit interest score can help you qualify for a low interest rate on loans and credit cards. This can save you thousands of dollars in interest rates over a life of a loan. So having a low credit score can help you tremendously with a low interest rate. Okay, now also it's easier to get approved for a rental or a mortgage. When you're applying for a rental or a mortgage, your credit score is often one of the factors used to determine your eligibility. A good credit score can make it easy to get approved for your dream home. Okay, and that's one of the main things that we actually want is to get a house or a car, because so we can be sustainable, live the way you want to live. You want to get the car that you want to drive. You want to get the house that you want to get. So the best way is to make sure that your credit is on point. Okay. Now, also employment opportunities. Some employers may check your credit score as part of their hiring process. A poor credit score can raise red flags. Employers who may view it as a sign of irresponsible or financial instability, so that you cannot keep a job. Okay, so if you looking for employment and you have a bad credit score, that's stating that you can't manage your money wisely. Okay, so make sure that you find strategies that you can do to put yourself on the budget. Okay, because we only gonna live that budget life minimum, so that way later on down the line you can live like Beyonce or whomever. Okay. Also, last and not least, better insurance rates. Insurance companies often use credit scores to determine what rate to charge you for insurance. A better credit score can help you qualify for a lower interest rate. That's just like having a credit score for credit cards or a loan. Okay, anything that has to do with your credit score, you want to present the best foot forward. Okay, you want them to be able to see exactly what you want them to see. Okay, so that's why you should always get your credit fixed. In summary, having a good credit opens the doors to financial opportunities that are often not available for individuals with poor credit. So just make sure that you actually put your credit on the right track. And if y'all have any other questions or y'all want to talk about personal credit or business, please put it in the chat below. Okay, and don't forget to check us on our Facebook group. Join our Facebook group, and also check us out on Twitter as well as Instagram and listen to our podcast. Okay. My name is Renata. This is Credit with Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.